Meaning of gunge.
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 Gunge. Gunge is a British slang term that refers to a slimy, gooey substance typically used in children's game shows or challenges. It is usually made up of ingredients such as custard, food coloring, and water. Gunge is often associated with comedic and messy situations and is used to add an element of humor or surprise to the activity. The word gunge has become a popular term not only in the UK but around the world, especially in pop culture references such as TV shows, movies, and even music.